Oh, look, its tongue comes out.
Oh!
Wow.
Quackity?
Oh, quackity.
Objects that I've shoved up my arse.
Classic.
Pebbles.
Pebbles is quite good, actually. Why is everyone saying what as if I said something? What? Why is everyone, what did he saying? Like that one meme where it goes, what did he say? You know what I mean? Pebbles are quite good. No, I mean like it's funny, not as in to do! My god, I meant like as in it was funny! Not as in like, oh, Pebbles, that's good to, you know, like no.
Face, tell me you're the sin. If you've rain in your garden, you know that you can. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me in the morning, I'll be on the way. Call me when you want, call me when you need. Call me out by your name, I'll be on the way. Like,
was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. And you know I love you so. You know I love you so.
I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots, but my home was never on the ground. I've got no roots. I've got no roots. I've got no roots.
But how could I hate her? She's such an angel. But then again, kinda wish she was dead as she walks by. What a sight for sore eyes, brighter than a blue sky. She's got you mesmerized.
Start flip the kill switch, Jojo.
What eye color do you have?
It's like grayish.
Oh, I seen your eyes. I do know that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I did know. I even took note of that because I thought your eyes were interesting.
Mm-hmm.
I got lost in there.
Well, get out, jeez.
No. Swarm.
I look like a minion?
No, honey, you're perfect. You're beautiful the way you are.
I think the bitch do.
Larry.
Oh my god.
If you don't like me at my worst, then you don't like me at my best.
I don't like you at all.
It makes me feel sad, and I don't work very well when I'm sad.
Jumping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco.
I am bleeding.
If you're a furry.
Fuck you!
How is he so funny without realizing?
Oh, I almost got him, guys. Sorry, almost got him.
Are you cheating?
Yes.
So are you very popular at school?
Insanely. All the girls in my school are like, Awooga purpled. Daddy, thank you for the 25 bits. I don't want to say that ever again. I hate Bed Wars. This game sucks. Well, time to play Bed Wars. What are you doing? Well, I was mining. I'm crazy like that! Oh! I'm not crazy like— okay, I died. Oh my god, Jesus Christ! Five Nights at Freddy's 6, what the hell? Weirdo. This guy builds up when he jumps. This is like Speedway on crack, dude. Am I allowed to say that? I don't know what crack is. I am just a young boy.
Yo, yo, yo. Ooh, ha. You woke? Yes, sir.
Daisy, give me your answer. I am crazy.
No, I didn't.
Did you find your phone?
No.
Look on your bed.
Now I'm fucking sad because you're not there.
I used to hear a simple song. That was until you came along. Now in its place is something new. I hear it when I look at you.
What did sweet Veruca say?
Daddy,
Yes?
buy me North Korea.
When Veruca says,
Buy!
it's like a battle cry, and when Veruca says,
Mine!
well, I've jelly for a spine, and if Veruca said, I know it.
Hell, you can't even get up, girl.
Apparently, it's the Queen's Golden Jubilee.
Mom? Have your delivery. Oh. I have your delivery outside.
Yeah, you got it.
652 dildos that you ordered.
I thought it was supposed to be like discreet, dude. You're not really supposed to talk about it. But yeah, I'll be out there. I'll be out there in a second. My friends are gonna be so happy when I tell them what I'm bringing to the sleepover.
My name is Timmy. Is this Sam? Hello? Hello?
What the hell? What is wrong with you guys? That was perfect. What the hell?
I was wondering if your smile. Is that me? Oh my god, is that from like the first stream chat? Is what as your as is that your Is this pure as George? Yeah. I guess. Honking me. Aw. And like a sunset. The sun is a heart though. That's so cute. Punk made this? B My Valentine.
Among Us.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass and I'm homebound. Staring blankly ahead, just making my way through the crowd.
What's your name? What's your name, sir? My name is Deez. Deez what, sir?
Quackity's reaction is sending me into orbit.
I ain't gonna cry too long. I'm back on my drip. Drip my drip.
Bye!
Yes! Alright. Alright, well, that was a lot of unnecessary pearls. I'm waiting for the TNT to go off, and then I go in. Go. Are you kidding me? Are you actually... Okay, frequently asked questions time. Technoblade, did you just kill yourself with a bed immediately after entering the end? After 3 hours of grinding in front of 23,000 live viewers? The answer is no. Of course not. Technoblade never dies. This is a graphical bug with OBS. Oh look, I'm back! First try in the...
I'm horny. Come on.
I won! I tricked everyone! Starting with you, the head, the loser kids in town, and the prefects! Me! I won! You are sad, man! I might be sad, but I run your world, moron! And don't you forget it! You did all my dirty.
Some of my favorite Jack Manifold moments.
British culture. Oh! I know you're pregnant! I saw it on Reddit!
At my uncle's funeral, but I can't stop that Jack Manifold grind. It don't stop.
Don't watch now! Get a whopper! Get a whopper, fella!
I wanna know, I really wanna know!
Did you get a whopper? Hey, you cock! Hey! I told you I'm good at this one. I told you! Streamer's cracked! Sheesh!
So it's one of my sponsors. He said, can you please kick this guy on the left?
So how about whatever time you're on Asmon's channel and they're all just like, you need to literally get tossed off a bridge?
Those are actually my sponsors as well. So, yeah, I don't know. I just don't know Nick anymore. I just don't know.
Honestly?
Why did he do that?
I'd do that with a small child.
They only want you when you're 17.
Like the day that I met you, the day I thought forever, said that you love me.
My burgers disappear that I made and I'm getting in trouble for it.
Well, looking at him, we could tell which fuck ate them all.
Stay away.
Hey, Rambo, so how...
Wait, where are you?
I wonder what the fastest shit anyone's taken is. And is there a world record I can break?
Why can't
I get Robux? Give me Robux!
I'm trying.
Phil!
I'm trying.
Give me Robux!
I'm trying to get you
Phil, I keep saying there's a fucking error occurred. I just want fucking Robux! I want Robux!
Make some water.
Make some water?
Yeah.
What do you think I am? Jesus?
Hit me with about
Are you understanding this? Yes, that is true. That is another word for chicken.
If kids are achieved, then keep around holy water and tests.
Chat. I'm kind of scared. Low key.
Hey. How's it going? What's poppin'? Skittles? You wanna be VIP real quick? I got you. You kinda caught me off guard here. What are you saying? What are you saying? Hold on, I saw a message. What did you say? I love our song. Oh, it's our... Yeah. How about that? Hey, tell you what, it's copyrighted, but you're worth it. Huh? How about that?
Hate all serial killers.
But when he stabs me in the chest, I feel...
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can call that